Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Test Prep Cards. So today I'm here with a new question for you guys which will definitely help you if you are preparing for your upcoming JEE exam. Well, the question is very simple and basic, but for some students it is very difficult to attempt because there are various properties in the vector chapter of mathematics, and this question is basically from the vector. So let's have a look at the question. The question is the formula of a vector plus b vector dot a vector minus b vector. So basically we have to do the dot product of a vector plus b vector dot a vector minus of b vector. Okay, so if we solve this question, so this is basically and simply a dot product. So we can say this is simply a dot product, and it can be expressed as a dot a minus of a dot b plus of b dot a minus of b dot b is equals to b dot a minus of a dot b. So this is simply a dot product. So this is one way that how you can solve this a vector plus of b vector dot a vector minus of b vector. And in mathematics, not just in mathematics, there are several ways that you can solve a single question. Like there are number of ways that how you can solve a single question. So this is just a way. Let's say we have this solve this by a, and if we talk about the second way, let's say b, we have different properties of dot product, dot products of vectors. Okay, so in the properties of dot product of vector, we have different properties. Like we have distributive property, which states a dot b plus c is equals to a dot b plus of a dot c. Then we have the commutative property, which states a dot b is equals to b dot a. And then we have a dot a is equals to square. Okay, so if so the formula of what is the question? The question is the formula of a vector plus of b vector dot a vector minus of b vector. Okay, so a plus of b dot a minus of b. So if we apply these properties, so if we apply these properties in the formula a plus b dot a minus b vector, then we have a dot a minus of b plus of b dot a minus of b. So this is by using the distributive property. Okay, and if we solve this, then we have a dot a minus of a dot b plus of b dot a minus of b dot b, again by using the distributive property. A dot a minus of b dot b, this is by using commutative, which is this property. Okay, by using the commutative property, and then we have a square minus of c square. Okay, so this is the second way that how you can solve this question, or let's say the formula of a vector plus of b vector and dot a vector minus of b vector. The third way is that let's say a is equals to a vector is equals to axi plus ay of j plus az of k. Okay, then for the b we have the same. B vector is equals to bx of I plus byj plus bzk. Okay, and if we solve this further, then we have the a vector plus of b vector and the dot product of a vector minus of b vector. Okay, and if we put these values here in this formula, then we have ax plus of bx minus of ax minus of bx plus of ay plus of by. Then we have dot of ay minus of by, then plus we have az plus bz and dot az minus of bz. Okay, this is it. And if we solve this, then we have ax square minus of bx square plus of ay square minus of by square plus of az square minus of bz square. So this is the third way that how you can solve this question. Let's say, or we can say that the formula of a vector plus b vector dot a vector minus of b vector. So this is the way one, that how you can derive this formula or you can solve this formula. This is the way B, and this is the way C. And if you find this video useful and informational, please do like and subscribe to our channel, and please share these videos to your friends who are actually preparing for the upcoming JEE exam or another competitive exams. And thank you.